In front of me is nothing phone 3A Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting two apps you wanna use in this view and launching both in the background. Like that. When you're ready, go into background apps and decide which one you wanna use on the top half of your screen. Then click on the icon of it at the top. And when you see this pop-up, select split screen. Then click on the second app and enjoy using both at once. To go back from this mode, you can either go into background apps and swipe them, or use this line in the middle to drag one all the way up or all the way down. Then hit home button to close the remaining one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!